Hi everyone, it's Rachel Hawkes and I thought I would do a quick little video today because, as many of you know, I signed up to become a doTERRA wellness advocate, which basically means I will be able to add essential oils into both Harmonia Therapies and Buddha Buddies. And I've already purchased a few oils from them a few weeks ago, which have been fantastic, and I used some of their pre-blended oils. But last week I ordered one of their, basically they're a starter kit called the Home Essentials Kit, and it arrived yesterday, but I didn't have time to open it because just as it was about to arrive, you know, it's like I had to get dinner on for the kids, and then I was out at a party, which is rather exciting. And today is Sunday, and I have had a normal busy Sunday of meeting up with family, which has been fab, and taking the kids out, which was a bit of a mixed bag if I'm being completely honest with you. So I thought I would share my opening of my doTERRA kit with you all, because I don't know what's in it. Well, I do know what's in it because I've ordered it, but I was quite excited when the box arrived. So I'm going to get the box and show you what's in it. So this is my big giant doTERRA Home Essentials box of delight that arrived, beautifully packaged. Now I know that in here are the 10 essential oils that I need to create loads and loads of not only different products, things like the home cleaning, the bath bombs, the shower bombs, but also lots and lots of different ways to have home remedies, which is why I've got into this. And the whole point of, for me, of bringing this into the business is to pass on loads of different tips to you guys that you can easily use in your own home to create some natural solutions to common things that we all face in our homes, whether it's cleaning a worktop, or somebody's got a cold, or you know, one of my children struggling with her digestion. How can I add essential oils in and replace maybe some of the chemicals or medicines that I'm using and create a more natural home environment? So the grand opening. So the first thing is a brilliant book. So this book, I've already got a copy of this book because I liked it so much that I ordered one before. This is everything you need to know about the range, what you can do with it, where the oil comes from, the main benefits. So it's kind of like a little mini Bible of essential oils. I will keep this one at Harmonia Therapies, so that if any of you guys want to have a look, you can. And if there's a particular oil that you're interested in, let me know, because I can always get you details of a particular oil. So great little book. Looking forward to looking through that one again. I won't get sidetracked, as I know I can do from that. The second thing is a beautiful little diffuser. This is their petal diffuser, which is a small diffuser. So for those of you who don't know, there's three main ways that you can use these essential oils. You can diffuse them, i.e. this heats water, and then as the water heats it provides steam. If you add the essential oils in, then the steam disperses in the air. I've used diffusers for a long time. They are a great way of getting some of the benefits of an oil into the air without it being overpowering, which for you guys, you Buddha Buddy guys with babies, can be an absolute godsend, because you don't want to use too much, you don't want the smell to be too overpowering. But if you're after something that will actually have an effect, something like lavender, because you want to bring calmness and you're trying to embed new sleep routines, you don't want an overpowering smell of lavender, because if you make it overpowering, it goes from being a calming influence to a stimulant, which obviously we don't want. So I haven't used this particular one. I've got two, in fact 3 diffusers that I use at home, but I'm looking forward to, I'm actually going to put this in one of my daughter's bedrooms. Not that she has trouble sleeping, but I'll explain more as the videos continue on how I'm going to use essential oils with my children. Aha, the main one. Comes out beautifully, which is just as well when you're on video, isn't it? So, can you see that? DōTERRA Home Essentials. Does what it says on the tin. I like that. Beautifully packaged again. Shouldn't make a difference, but I kind of like it. I like the fact that everything's come in cardboard, so biodegradable. I know they're the little things, but they're the little things that for me really count. I don't want to be seeing more plastics everywhere and everything shrink wrapped or cellophane wrapped to protect it, because then it's more plastic, more waste. Kind of one of the main reasons I'm trying to get into the essential oils is, again, reducing plastics, reducing waste. So here are my little bottles. Da, 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 exciting. So I'm going to run through these. I will talk more in videos to come about benefits of each one, and in fact I'm going to do 10 videos. I'm going to do 10 videos, one per bottle, so that you can actually see how I'm going to use the oils, so that if you're interested, you've got some practical ways of actually using them. So the first one is Deep Blue. Now I know something about some of these oils because I'm on this learning journey with you all. So that one is a little bit like a natural form of deep heat. So really, really good for pre and post training, and to relieve tight muscles. So that's a really good one. The Melaleuca, we call it tea tree. You've got to remember they're American. They need to get with it a little bit over here in the UK. Tea tree, great antibacterial, okay? So I think most of us know about tea tree for antifungal, antibacterial, you know, using it to repel insects and help with insect bites and toenails and, you know, stuff like that. Lavender, who doesn't know about lavender? Great calming one. Also really good, I've picked up this week, for sunburn. Obviously you wouldn't use it neat, you'd dilute it into something, but again, because it's anti-inflammatory, which is one of the key oils I talk about with Buddha Buddies, because if you're going to use essential oils with babies, you want to make sure that you're using the right oils, not only the right oils, but the right concentration. So less is definitely more, okay? Again, I'll talk through each one of these in each individual video that's coming along. Next one is lemon, great mood uplifter. Again, citrus, so really good for cleaning. So these are the ones that I put lemon in my multi-surface cleaner, which I love. I'm going to show you how to make that in a video soon, because I mean, to the point where I have just ordered 20 gallons, yes, gallons of white vinegar, because I'm now going to make pretty much all my own cleaning products, and I loved using the lemon. We've also got, that combines very well, by the way, with the oregano, which I found out again this week on part of my little journey, is a really, really good antibacterial agent. So that's really good. We've got the Zen Jest, which is one I'm going to be using with my kids, because it's a really, really good digestive aid. And you can put a drop of that into water and drink it. That's how pure these oils are. There is nothing else out there that I know of in the UK on the purity level. On Guard, which is really, really good. Again, not just for cleaning products, which I've put in like a room spray, but you can actually use that as a matte spray as well. And I've just bought the toothpaste, which I used for the first time. Again, really, really good. Got to leave that there. Brilliant oil. It's one of the proprietary blends. They've blended several high-powered oils into one formula on that one. Peppermint, super minty, like super, super, super minty. Great for opening, okay? So really good for focus, lift the spirit. We've got frankincense, which they call the king of oils. I've used frankincense for years and years and years. It is pretty much a good all-rounder. that will have its own, definitely have its own little video, because you can use that in everything from facial products, and you guys know I love my facial oils, all the way through to calming, digestion, really good for grounding if you're feeling a little bit out of sorts. And then the last one is air, which is for respiratory and chest. So again, opening passages, making sure you can breathe properly, decongestion of the chest for the coughs. So really looking forward to using that, because I'm still at the tail end of my cold. So what a lovely little pack. Fantastic little blends all together in a great box, and that whole kit you can purchase, so you get all of your essentials that you need. As I said, I'm going to talk you through each one in a little video, and I don't know if you can see, so I'm leaning on the dog here because he likes to be involved, because I'm in my little office and he likes to see what's going on, and it's also a very good way of stopping him barking. I know it's snaky, but there we go. The nice thing is with these is that they also come with stickers. Who doesn't like stickers? So I'm going to show you with these oils how you can dilute them and use them safely, and the ways in which you can dilute them. So one of the things I've been using with my girls is putting them into little bottles that have got a roller ball at the top. So you put a base oil. I've just been using grapeseed because I use grapeseed as a base for a lot of my massage oils, and it's also the oil that I use for baby massage, as all you mums will know. So I put drops of whichever oil I'm going to use into a roller ball that the girls can then take with them, and they can take them with them to school, or, you know, they're safe to use. But I'll discuss all of that. But the nice thing is having a little sticker. I got that the right way up. I have got that the right way up. I can then label that. So Bella especially seems to have already got a little plethora, good word, of different bottles. So she's got one for hay fever. She's got one as a mood lift, which is called Citrus Bliss, which is the best smell of an essential oil ever, which is another one of their blends. She's got one for insect bites. So I'm trying to give her, and the same for Mia, their own little toolkit, so that they can help themselves, not only with their physical well-being, but with their emotional and mental well-being as well, because these oils have got some powerful benefits, and I'm really looking forward, as I'm learning, to pass that knowledge on to you guys. So welcome to the new doTERRA journey. I hopefully won't bore you too much over the next few weeks with different things, but I just wanted to share how exciting my new little kit is. If you're interested, do let me know. In the meantime, I'm going to be running a whole host of different workshops coming up over the next few months, and it's all to show you guys how you can use these things, okay? So our next one is in July, and it's Plants That Heal, and I'm collaborating with Hannah Carr from the Nourished Body. She is going to be providing plants that heal from a nutritional point of view, and I'm going to be adding in plants that heal from an essential oils point of view, pretty much suitable for everybody. You know, if you're looking to add, you know, more nutrients into your family's diet, or you're looking to find some more natural remedies, and you know, we're hearing all the time now, so many people are going back to the plant base. So it's going to be an hour-and-a-half workshop. It's going to be fun. It's going to be over a cup of tea in a lovely location. It's not going to be all doom and gloom. There's going to be little snippets of different things for you to smell and try and taste and all of that kind of stuff. Really good intro. Would love you to come along. Details are on Facebook and on the website, but I will tell you more as we move through. So from now until December, there's going to be lots and lots of different workshops, and I will keep you posted on them all. In the meantime, thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next journey of breaking down all of these beautiful oils and telling you more about them. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.